Hi guys, on this video I will show you how to working with the SampleTank VST on the IK multimedia, but just on the right hand. I'm doing on the video before how SampleTank working on the arranger, and I wanna show you now how is the sound on the right hand and how is the working now. Just to add some style. Okay, we use this style. This style is working with the DMX sampler now. Let's open the SampleTank and load some instrument there. Right, SampleTank now is coming, and let's just load some instrument. Maybe let's load some guitar to try. Which one to be? Maybe this one. Let's to see. Right now this guitar is all the black LP down up stroke keys. Let's just going there to take off a little bit because it's so longer. Right now I'm just in the take off. Just take off a little bit because it's so hard now. There's many effects here. Let's just to take this effect. Which one is overdrive? That is the distortion guitar something. Let's to take off this guitar from here and we be add some different one. We'll get the empty. We're going on the another guitar. Should be let's to get this fingerful case with. Let's to find this one. This guitar is the 5 gigabyte, more than 5 gigabyte. It's very heavy because it's add a lot of effect as well here. But anyway, let's to check another one. Right, this guitar now is ready, but it's not sound. Let's to see what happened. Why it's not playing. Should be it's not playing. What is the problem? Let's to see. Now guitar is coming. It's very but have so many effect here. Where is the make the some conflict should be, I don't know. This preset is not that's factory preset from this guitar. But anyway, let's to try another guitar. We take off. I think it's good one, but why it's not playing good? I don't know. Should be have any problem? Let's to find another guitar. The nylon model. Let's to try this one as well. Have a look. Right, this guitar is now ready. It's 3 GB. This one I think should be need to add 1 octave down. Maybe I'm not add some effect from here because this guitar have enough effect. Let's to add sound should be from here a little bit. Oh, now it's fine. Let's to play something. Yeah, it's not so bad. The guitar is fine. Let's to going on the different section just to what different one. This is the nylon guitar. Have the should be the different one as well. Many guitar. Just the problem is the all instrument is the very good, but it's very heavy. Let's to find another one. Let's to find the string section. The string section is some ensemble. Let's to find some ensemble to see from here. Ensemble. Come on. Let's to see. What's this 40 piano? I have some preset here. Strumen is my name. Let's to see which one is this one. To what and see. Now the strings is coming. The bass is 40 piano. But have the limited up to the octave S3 is working. Right, it's good one. Let's to check another strings. Should be. Let's to find another one. The viols. Let's to get the viols crescendo wonk. Let's to try this one. Now that this crescendo violin viols is ready, let's to try. Uh, right. So the sample tank is very good VST. Just in the problem is the instrument is very heavy because the every instrument is the more than see the this view crescendo long is the not so big. Is the just in the 52 megabyte, but the many instruments is the very heavy and my advice if you use it the sample tank 4 just in the use it from the some record song or the like from the studio one is the very good because the sound is the amazing, really is amazing. And this VST is on the my should be favorite VST instrument uh, on the market. I very like it, but I'm not sure it's the very useful to use it on the Giglad. It's okay, but again, it's the my advice. I just need to use it from the some record. If you doing the some record song, the sound is the very good to doing this one.